Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. Except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, or trolls. And I'm on my balcony, and it is officially raining. First time we've had rain in months. What's weird, in the time it took me to call Patty and say it's raining, we've been discussing the rain, Kathy too. It came down really hard, and now it's just like drizzle. You can barely feel it. Go figure. But it is raining. We need the rain. It's 70 degrees out. So, but I put my hand out a few minutes ago. It was pouring, and now I guess it's not raining hard enough to be pouring, but I can see it now with my eyes that it is raining. Bye-bye for now. Have a great day. Stay dry. And remember, you can subscribe to the channel for $3.99 or $6.99 a month, where you see content nowhere else. And watch the skies if you can see them. I can see the rain coming down steadily now, but it's not really hard. All right. Have a great day and a great evening. Bye-bye. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh.